Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, and welcome back to my channel today. I know, look at me, posting once a week for 2 weeks in a row. But yesterday I went to the mall, the Brea Mall in Brea, California. And I just did a little shopping. I got this cute, super cute shirt from Torrid. It was on sale on clearance. I got a couple sunglasses, but the one thing I got, wait for it. Bam! Yes, I did get the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. It was the very last one in stock, and now they're sold out at that Morphe store. Sorry everybody. But look at how gorgeous it is. Just look at it. And look at the big mirror. The mirror is like the size of my face. It is so gorgeous. I really love this palette because it has a whole bunch of neutrals, yet it is still pink and red. Those are my favorite eye colors for me. And purple, which is also one of my favorites, but the shimmers are looking to die for. I bought this yesterday and I have not touched it yet. I have not swatched a single one, as you can tell. I have resisted touching it, so that way you guys could see me open it and use it for the first time on camera. So I'm just gonna do a little quick tutorial for you guys today, and we're kind of gonna wing it and see where this takes us. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye! Alright guys, now that we're back, I'm zoomed in, and let's get this thing started. My brow's already done, I have my brow bone done. So let's get right into it. I don't have any particular design I want to do for today, but we're just gonna roll with it. So first I'm gonna be taking the shade Glucose. It is a nice, just plain white, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid.
I can see you in my head, I can see you in my bed, I can see you doing all those things we used to do instead. Well, if I to 2 a.m. when you knew I was your man, the only thing I'm thinking about, I really gotta hold on.
Alright, so now that Glucose is all over my eyes, I am going to be taking the shade Cake Mix right here and using that as a transition shade.
Hold on.
Now that's like a light brownish pink, which I love to death. So now I am going to go into the shade Tongue Pop right here. Oh, right here. With the same brush, I'm just going to use it in my crease. And let's just get into it. I am really in love with this palette right now. Alright, so now that color is on, I'm going to be taking the shade Cherry Soda right here and defining my crease just a tad bit more. Alright, I am loving this. So next I am going to be taking the shade Fresh Meat right here. It's like a deep purple. I know, you see, do you see that little scratch right there? I was opening it and my finger caught and I was just like, but just so you know, I didn't touch it before, I just scratched it. But we're gonna take that shade right there and put it in the outer corner to really deepen that shade. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder.
Now I am going to go in with the shade Extraction right here. Just a tiny bit, just to really get it in that crease. Alright, so now that that's all blended out, I am going to create a cut crease, and I shall be right back. Alright, so now that I have my concealer on, done for my cut crease, I am going to go in with the shade Sweetener. It's like a duochrome shimmer that we're just going to put right on top of my cut crease.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years on call, now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder.
Alright, so now that that's done, I am just going to go back in with fresh meat and a little bit of cherry soda and blend out the sides. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to zoom out and throw some eyeliner on. Alright, so now that I have my mascara on, everything's done, I will do a quick zoom in for you, and so you can see the rest of the look. Ready?
Your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. 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 We ain't ever getting older.
Alright, so before I end the video today, I'm just going to give you guys a quick review of what I thought of the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. My favorite part is these little latches that they latch open and close, and then it opens up. But I gotta say, this packaging is so durable. If you drop it, it is not gonna break. I can almost guarantee it. It is so good. But then you open it up and you get this beautiful, huge mirror, which you could use for your full face, or you just use it for your eyes. I mean, whatever you do, you boo-boo. But this mirror is just so big, it is about the size of my face. But let's move on to the shadows. Although I didn't try them all, the ones I did try were amazingly pigmented, super buttery, and super easy to blend. Also, I really loved how vibrant the shade Sweetener was this duochrome right here that I put on my eyes. I loved how pigmented it actually was, because sometimes what you do is you'll pick it up and then when you put it on, it like the color goes away. But the shine and the shimmer stayed with it the whole time, and I can really see the shimmer from far away, which I love. These shimmers were just so beautiful, and the mattes were so beautiful. I love a good palette that has neutrals and lots of color. This one has a lot of color, and it's also having its neutrals up here. But it also has beautiful shimmers and a duochrome. So I recommend this palette 10 out of 10 to anyone. You could buy it either at the Morphe store, or at Morphe.com, or at JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. This palette was $52. It was $56 with tax. But if you are looking for a durable, long-lasting palette that is so versatile, I recommend this one to you 10 out of 10 times. It is so pretty. It is beyond comprehension. But that is it for me today, guys. I will try to record another video again next week. Comment down below what you want to see, what palette I should use. Also, hint hint, I might be hosting a giveaway in a little while. Once again, make sure you have subscribed, turn my bell on so you get notifications when I post. Make sure you like and comment on this video and tell me what I should put in a giveaway and what I should do for my next video. And in that case, thank you guys for joining with me today. I love you all. Stay beautiful, everybody.
I wanna dance, I wanna dance.